Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy basil pesto sauce. Let's start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and 1/3 cup of pine nuts. Don't forget 1/2 cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil, plus a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. These fresh components are key to a delicious pesto. Now let's get blending. Take your 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 2 cloves of peeled garlic, and 1/3 cup of pine nuts. Place all of these into your food processor. Pulse the ingredients several times until they are finely chopped. You want a coarse, crumbly mixture at this stage, not a smooth paste. This initial blend helps release the aromatic oils and sets up the perfect texture for our sauce. Next, it's time to add the remaining key ingredients. Add your 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese to the food processor. With the processor running, slowly drizzle in the 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil through the feed tube. Continue processing until the pesto is smooth and well combined. Finally, season with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Taste and adjust as needed for perfect balance. Your delicious homemade basil pesto is now ready to enjoy. It's fantastic tossed with hot pasta, spread on sandwiches, or as a dip with crusty bread. For storage, transfer any leftover pesto to an airtight container. You can pour a thin layer of olive oil over the top to keep it vibrant for up to 5 days in the refrigerator. For longer storage, freeze it in ice cube trays for several months of fresh flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.